3, action.
Good morning, Keller Williams family. Thank you so much to Allison Bradley for putting together an incredible gala event. If you weren't there, you will not want to miss it next year when we have our $1 billion bash. We are going to sell over $1 billion worth of real estate this year and celebrate it next year. So thank you for everyone who came, had a blast. So now we're back at it. Here's what you need to know. Number 1, Tuesday team meeting. Here comes the judge. Butch will be there in full regalia, and you guys have already sent in a lot of questions, so that's going to be an incredible team meeting for you to ask Butch basically anything you need to know. Number 2, immediately following the team meeting, monthly we will be teaching Profit Share. So MREA Book Club is off for the last Tuesday of the month, and we will have Profit Share class. It's about 15-20 minutes right after team meeting. If you're interested in learning how to increase your profit share, make sure you stick around for that class. This is the last week to renew your license. Get your license in. You cannot practice with a lapsed license. And finally, February 11th. Don't forget to mark this down. If you're going to family reunion, this is our pre-game meeting where you will learn everything you need to know about how to make family reunion an incredible experience for you. Thank you so much, guys. Have an awesome week, and I'll see you at the team meeting.